Oh, and there's
Car
another
coming.
fucking car.
Right at you. Your body's still stuck in that car.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
What is this news article? It was an extremely odd sight. A popular teacher at a local school was spotted sitting in a parked car, bobbing her head up and down. Up
There he is,
and down,
he's in the
up
field.
down.
Go get the next one, Gary.
Did you kill someone, Gary?
He ran over one of them. One more in the field.
Trying to get to his buddy.
Two kills for Gary.
None of them are.
None of them.
Somebody has a sniper rifle back there. Right there, Gary.
Oh, did he get his buddy up?
There's one right there. Another one coming up. This one should have the sniper rifle.
You see him?
No.
Yeah, behind that
Oh,
tree.
yep.
Behind that tree, he's throwing a grenade. Right by a danger close. Oh, it bumped you. He's to your left.
To your right.
To your right.